Today we're going to be reviewing the VEVOR button maker machine. So let's go ahead, let's open up the box and let's check out what we have inside. We have some big buttons in white and in silver over here, as well as some smaller buttons, so you have an assortment of sizes. We also have the Mr. Panda booklet that has a bunch of blank pages in it, so you're able to design something to put on your button. We also have the instruction manual, as well as an adjustable circle cutter for the big buttons and the smaller buttons. Next to that, we have our laminate cover to protect our buttons from any scratches or any damage that could come to it. And we also have our base, and we also have our mold head for our big size buttons and our mold head for our smaller size buttons. We also have the dual size down mold, as well as our button press machine itself in the back, a few Allen wrenches and screws to go with that, as well as our handle. First, we're going to place our button press machine on top of the base. And we're going to get our washers and screws, and we're going to start screwing it in the back. Here you can see we're using our Allen wrench in order to screw it in so it's super tight and sturdy. Here you can see we're just twirling the handle inside of our VEVOR button press machine. And now we're just going to place this inside of our button press machine and slide it on. And you're just gonna screw in this top part over here. Depending on which mold head you need, you're gonna install that onto our button press machine. So in our case, we're gonna use the big mold. And it'll snap in pretty easy. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our design on our button. Now, after you make your design, you're going to use the adjustable circle cutter depending on your size and loosen that screw up a little bit, but you have to be very careful because the blade in there is sharp. It's just so you can maneuver it back and forth and have that type of freedom. Here you'll see that we put the blade close to the circle and we're tightening it back up so it doesn't get loose. Now you're going to push down and you're going to use your blade to cut out your design. And here you can see that the design is now cut into the perfect circle. Now we're going to place this tin button head on top of our mold, and we're going to put our design on top of that along with the protective film. You're going to place the green washer into the right mold if you are using a metal backing. But if you're using the white button or the white backing, there's no need to use that green washer. And you're going to place the pin going downward. That way when you're pressing the machine, it isn't on the inside of the button. If you're looking to purchase a button press machine, then I would definitely recommend looking at the brand VEVOR. Their button press machine is very easy to use, and you can make buttons very fast and create your own designs. I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and we will see you guys next time.